Your rich uncle decided to give you 25 shares of Google stock. First step would be to calculate the value of that gift. So starting value would be 25 shares times $91, $22.84. How many Microsoft shares could have been purchased for that same amount? So Microsoft is $2.25 per share. So the number of shares would be the value divided by the price. And then I want to be able to copy and paste it. So if I'm going to copy this formula, I want the blue cell, C2. I want it to stay in the same spot, but the D8, I want it to be able to travel. So there we go. And I should be able to take that and copy it. Calculate the change in price for the Google stocks. Write it so it can be reused for Microsoft and Apple, and then copy and paste it across the row. So this is from January 1st to February 1st. So here we'll put how much Google changed value. That would be equal to 25 shares. And I want that reference to move across this row when I copy the formula across the row. But when I copy down the column, I don't want it to move. So I want to press the F4 button twice to lock this reference onto row 5. So only the row is locked, but the column will be able to change. So multiply that by the February price, subtract the January price. That needs to be in parentheses. And now if I copy that over, then the reference to the Google prices was free to move, and it copied over to the Microsoft column. The Microsoft shares copied over, so that looks good. Copy that to Apple. And now if I take those and copy them down, you can see that the Google shares, the number of shares is locked on row 5 by that $sign, but these other references are free to move. So I should be able to copy those all the way down to the bottom. Oh. By clicking and dragging when I get to right there. Okay. Calculate the total change in value for the Google stock. So that should be the sum of everything above it up to there. And I should be able to copy that across and have it be summing the column above it. In hindsight, which stock would have been the better value? Microsoft increased the most.